Hi coaches, Kristen Haig here, and I am going to talk to you today about challenge groups. So hopefully you've been a part of challenge groups. Maybe you've even led some challenge groups with another coach or even on your own. But today what I want to focus on is how to use these challenge groups to increase your volume. That's what we're all about for these this week, right? Is increasing our volume. So how can we use these challenge groups to help our customers reach their goals? So one key is with these challenge groups, what you get to do is build a relationship. So you are working with your customers for any number of days during a week. So maybe it's 7-day challenge that you're running with your customers. Maybe it's a 10-day, maybe it's a 3-day, 21-day, 30-day, whatever your magic number is that you use. So you're building a relationship in that time. So every day you're going to do a post. Either you can use Vimify, you could use Facebook, you could use the app, whatever you're using. You'll do a post and then make sure the key is to engage with the comments that your customers write for your post. So your post may be a post about the benefits of Shakeology. It may be a post about their workout for the day, about your workout for the day and what you did and how your workout can encourage them. Maybe it's something where you're actually getting them to think a little bit, to talk about their goals, their dreams, whatever it may be. But the key for you, again, is to engage in their post. So whatever they tell you in their comment, make sure you're going in, reading those, and commenting back so they know that you're watching and working with them through that challenge. So again, your challenge is up to you, how many days you want to make it and what products you want to use. So most of my challenge groups that I run are 10 days. We usually start the second Monday of each month, and that way we have one weekend in there, and they go for 10 days. So the day before they start, we do an introduction, welcome. They have to introduce themselves so that we all get to know each other. And then every day there's a post by one of the coaches. And then at the end, after the 10th day, so the 11th day, we would do a summary where we would do a nice collage with all the pictures that they've posted, or some of the pictures they posted throughout the group, and put them together with a nice summary. And hopefully ask them to post on their wall about their journey for the 10 days. So that's how I run my groups. And again, I use Shakeology. That's required in my groups. And we have just started to use Beachbody On Demand All Access. So I'll put together a workout calendar for 10 days that they can choose a workout. They can do their own workout, or we're going to have a hybrid calendar for them to use. And they get to select and just make sure they're working out every day for those 10 days, again, is the length of my group. So you may choose different products. You may only require Shakeology. You may do a 7-day where they're just having a sampler pack. You could do the 3-day refresh. You could do a 21-day fix. And there's endless opportunities and choices there for you to pick from. So your task for today is sort of a big task. So get ready. You're going to have to come up with your next challenge group. So do you have a theme for that challenge group? Maybe some of the ones we've done in the past. Last February, I was in a group and we ran it called 10 Days of Love and Legs. We've done 10 Days of Summer. You can come up with many different themes that you want. So do you have a theme for your group? Who are you going to invite? If you want to list some names out, it's a good way to start thinking about who's going to come and be invited to your group. What products are you going to use? That would be the third thing. Which products are you going to use for the challenge? How many days is that challenge going to be? And then finally, you have to schedule it. You actually have to schedule it. When is your challenge group going to start? So that's what you have to do today. You're going to have to think a little bit, plan it out, look at your calendar. Maybe you're ahead of the game and you already know what you're doing next month, but you have to tell us what your next challenge group will be. Again, thanks for being here, and we're enjoying this coach training. Good to see everyone.